Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you are new here, welcome. Hello. I am back today with another face masks and unboxings. If you guys missed the last one, I will link it down below, but I just want to do more chill videos on here where I'm not all done up. It is a lazy Saturday, so here we are, and we're doing a Colourpop haul. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. I am so excited to open up this box. You have no idea. This has been sitting in my room since yesterday, and it came while I was at work, and I just didn't have time to open it yesterday because I also wanted to film it for you guys. So we're opening it up together. Oh my god, so much bubble wrap. Oh my god, really so much bubble wrap. Okay, like, look at all these goodies. You guys are gonna kill me and you're gonna think I'm crazy for everything that I ordered, but that's okay. Here we are, we're here. So first we're gonna start off with the whole entire week of lippies that I got. I got two from, oh my god, these are so cute, the Harry Potter collection. Like, look at how cute that packaging is. I'm gonna save it. So we're gonna start out with the first one. This is the Harry Potter Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade H Potter. I wanted to buy something from the Harry Potter collection. Ooh, this color is pretty. I just didn't really love everything, but this is a really pretty color. Let me swatch it. This is gonna be a really, really pretty fall color. Let's see. Ooh, I really like that. And it's not too dramatic, which I like. And then the next one I got, Elle Lovegood for Luna Lovegood. I feel like this was a little set. I don't remember, and I wish I wore this last night when I went out, but oh my god, this is so pretty. This is a gloss. Yes, a luxe gloss. I love Colourpop's lip gloss. I love everything Colourpop. Their lip products are phenomenal. But let's swatch this. You can't really see it on camera, but it's a really, really pretty iridescent clear gloss that you can top this with H Potter, or you can wear it by yourself. Then I got three of their So Glassy lip glosses. This is the So Glassy in Epiphany. This one I think was on sale. It's just a really pretty nudie color with a gold sparkle. Can't really see the swatch, but it's right there. Next up is Lucid Dreams. This looks sick. This is probably another iridescent. Yeah, this is another iridescent but milkier, if that makes sense. And then last up we have No Joke, which this one's really, really pretty. This is this almost looks like a Fenty gloss bomb. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, this is a Fenty dupe, 100%. Then I got two free items because I spent so much money, and it's these two little mini palettes. So we're gonna start off with Lyric first because this one is, I'm so excited for everything in this order, but I remember when this came out and I really wanted it and I just never ordered it, and oh my god, it is so pretty. Look at those colors. I know it's a small palette, but you could do a lot with this. So I will be using this very soon, so make sure you follow me because I've been uploading shorts, reels, TikToks. Follow me everywhere because every day I film a get ready with me. So if you want to see looks with this, make sure you're following. And then I also got Neon Gaze. They're both neutral palettes, but I'm a neutral kind of girl. I love the packaging. It's very fun. Ooh, this is a fun one too. I like this. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I really do like it. This could be fun. Then I got this Colourpop palette. It's their single shadows that they customize into a palette for you, and it's all purple shades. Oh my god, this is stunning. You can create so many pretty looks with this. I'll link it down below. I don't remember the exact name and it's not on here. I feel like I had to do something on butterflies, but oh my god, is this not gorgeous? This is so pretty. And next we have the star of the show, the reason why I placed this Colourpop order, the Not a Box of Chocolates palette. First of all, the packaging, this is the box. So stinking cute. I love it. When I saw this palette on Instagram, I was like, I need it. Like, again, I'm a neutral girl. I love neutrals. So let's, oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, you guys. You guys. Like, this is a stunning palette. Perfect for fall. You got all your neutral tones. You got everything. This is gorgeous. I am so excited to use this. So by the time you see this video, I'm probably gonna have my whole weeks of shorts, TikToks, and reels get ready with me. So I will link all of them down below using this palette. That is it for this Colourpop haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these face masks and unboxing videos. And also let me know what you think of this Colourpop haul. I just want to use everything right now, but I'm not going to. That is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.